Spicy tomatoes. I just took on my mic.
Kia ora! And welcome back to Hansen Hangouts. Today we're trying New Zealand food. Before we get started, press that like button, press that subscribe button, click that notification so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get started onto the video. So first, Marmite.
It's all in my mind.
If you don't know what Marmite tastes like, it's really strong. So this is how you're gonna do it. Get some toast, butter it, and then put a little bit of Marmite on. This is how we normally see people eating it the first time. So we're gonna try these two first. 3, 2, 1.
It's like butter. This feels scrunchy. And it sounds scrunchy. I don't know what this might taste like. Or do I?
I love this Marmite actually. So we're going to be trying this one. And here you go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, too much.
It's actually not that bad. It's actually pretty good.
I don't like this.
I love it. Oh, I can eat yours if you want me to.
I just took on my mic.
Is it good? I don't care if it's too much Marmite, but not like this big chunk.
It sounds like a clock.
So now we're trying kiwi fruit and pavlova. Toby, can you please help me out? Oh, strong man! Oh, it's so cold.
Of course, it's been in the freezer.
Oh my! Guys, look at this! Oh my gosh, it's so cold, I can't handle it. Now we're gonna be trying this. Grab a spoon, Toby. Are you ready in 3, 2, 1?
Feels soft.
Ooh, but it tastes pretty good.
It tastes really yum. I'll take one last bite. Okay, that was so good.
We're gonna head on to the next one. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Now we are trying Limus Road Creamery, chocolate and strawberry. This is made from Whitaker's chocolate. So we're gonna try the chocolate first. Oh my gosh! Is it good? Ooh, I'm excited.
It tastes like dark chocolate.
It tastes like dark chocolate, you're right. Next, we're gonna try this one, the strawberry. This doesn't work out. Why don't we just open it with our teeth?
Ow.
Now we need to shake it. Shake it up, shake it up. Is it good?
It tastes like yogurt.
Ew! So gross.
It's so good.
Oh, I admit it. It does taste like a little bit of yogurt.
This one is the best.
The crown goes to chocolate. So these are called Munchos, and the flavor is spicy tomatoes. So we're gonna open this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Woohoo! I've never seen a rainbow shape like this. I like it. It's a little bit sour. They're absolutely delicious.
It tastes like tomato sauce. Oh, burn fire.
Now we're gonna be trying pineapple lumps.
This banana.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's little banana. It's hard.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
Chocolate and banana mixed.
I think I'm gonna get a sweet tooth after this.
This is the best one.
Now we're gonna head on to the next one. Now we're gonna do Lollies scramble. So this is what I picked. So as you see, I got a milkshake, a minty, and a red one.
I've got the minty, a banana, and a milkshake. Hard egg.
Oh my god, real hard.
Oh, a teeth.
Oh, your breath smells like bananas over there. What does my breath smell like?
It's like a chewy thing. It's like a walk.
A what?
A walk. A what?
I don't know what you're saying. It's either a duck or a waka.
A walk.
Walk. A rock.
Smells like milk. It
I do not like this at all.
This one is the hardest.
Ew. Oh my gosh. You're right, this is the hardest one. My favorite one was milkshake. It's making me drool. Now we got Whitaker's Fancy Chocolate. It has black plum and roasted nuts. We're gonna open this up. My hands are clearly sticky. But I can open it. I'll take care of you. Well, goodbye.
Looks like Hershey Kiss.
So this is what the bar looks like. We are gonna share a piece.
I'm getting the fancy one.
I thought this would be bad, but it's actually really good. It's it's an okay. It's okay. We don't want you chocolate, never in our lives. We'll see you in the finals rounds. So now we got a well-known drink. It's L&P, stands for lemonade. So we're gonna have to open this, but I'm scared.
Wait,
I done it.
I need help.
Gosh.
I'll do it.
I did it.
Oh, sour.
L&P. P. Hallelujah. 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 Psych! I want it.
I got it. I want to keep this.
want it.
I got it.
So we're gonna end this video right now. So don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button, and click that notification so you don't miss out on anything. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!